Hey there, this is Nevin from Alloverse. I wanted to show you a quick demo of what you can do with app development in Alloverse. So something we think would work really well on the Alloverse platform is visualizing data in 3 dimensions. Personally, I'm not an expert at visualizing data. My expertise is building networking, 3D graphics, operating systems, APIs, that sort of stuff. So I wanted to show you something that I've built based on my expertise, but which I'm sure that in combination with domain knowledge can be made into something really, really interesting. So Alloverse is all about running apps in a shared virtual space. Right now I'm running on a desktop computer, but it's built to be run on a virtual headset. So you can be multiple people in here together collaborating around whatever you're doing. So here's an app I've built in our API. I'll run it now. And you see it's appearing in the space here with me. And if more people were in here with me, they could be looking at this with me. And we could be pointing at things and making changes. Right now this doesn't really have any interactivity. I can just move it around. But you can imagine adding a scale slider, adding more data sets, and so on. If you're interested in understanding how I built this, notice that this terminal I have here is running a script, and that's connecting over the network. So that means this is completely networked, and applications don't have to live on the same machine as the machine where you're interacting with the content. So for example, if you're doing very heavy computation, and you want to do that in real time, but the computer needed to do that in real time, is very beefy and not something you can carry around. You can just have your VR headset with you, and then you can run your visualizer application on the server, and then you can see it on your lightweight headset that you bring with you. So here's the source code to the app you're seeing here on the left, and just these bar charts, not the house or anything of the other stuff, but just the thing that disappears when I run the script. So it's pretty rudimentary. It adds these views you see on the left. This drag handles, you can move it around. This legend box, you understand the colors. Then I do some very simple parsing of a text file. I just read in some data from SCB about deaths in Sweden between 2019 and 2020, and comparing 2 data sets. Then I want to make this into a generic graphing class later, but right now I'm just iterating over the data and creating column labels, row labels, value labels, and then I just create cubes for the different data values. And then I add those to the view that we're looking at, and then I connect and run. So this could be running on a server somewhere completely different on the internet, and it could be streaming live interactive data, and then people from all over the world could be interacting with these controls and changing it and talking about it and pointing at different values. These boxes could of course be interactable as well, so you could point at them and compare different data sets. So adding this 3rd dimension and adding the collaboration around it, I think could be a really interesting way to collaborate around some really difficult data. So that's the demo I have for you. Feel free to shoot me any questions at nevin@alloverse.com or just Nevin on Twitter. Thank you.